Alright, we're in this apartment in Elmhurst, Queens. So far I've seen 4 closets. It's a studio. Nice view of outside. Then we got the kitchen. Nice appliances, new appliances. A nice sink. Couple of nice cabinets up there. Got a brand new stove. Brand new stove. New microwave. New refrigerator. Unused. There's the bathroom. It's nice. New sink. Apparently a new toilet. Even a new tub.